it's cold and black and deep. You work the hitch, survive the time, killing what you keep.
Yeah, so you invented this.
Yep.
Okay, that is so interesting.
This one too.
Wow, what is that?
That's part of this.
That's part of this whole
It's a different way
apparatus.
to do it.
Okay, and this is a sort of a drilling.
It's a way of running two strings of tubing as one,
Okay.
and they seal off both the inside and the outside are sealed together.
And what is this guy? The shaft,
That's a high pressure valve,
the high pressure valve.
and we use it to inject either fluid or gas down hole.
Okay.
This one happens to work at any pressure up to about
7,500 pounds.
Yeah,
So this one works at any pressure up to 7,500 pounds. And what is normal? What is standard?
less than 2.
Wow. So this is overkill. Let's go.
Well, the deeper you go, the more pressure you need.
Okay.
So this would be primarily for the new deep stuff
Wow.
and water injection.
And water. How long has this been on the market?
About 7 or 8 years.
7 or 8 years. And the thing that really sets this apart from the other things in the market is the fact that it
Operated such higher pressure.
higher pressure. Wow, 7,500 pounds.
Yeah.
And standard is 25, less than 200 pounds. And this one triples your
Injects chemical down hole.
the what?
Chemical.
Chemical.
Gas and chemical. And gas, chemical are the three components, or the three media that we put through it.
Okay. And that's and normally that's not
It's done a little bit differently.
okay.
We've used this one in a small 1-inch version for over 8 years in the upper mid-Michigan area for injecting water and chemical into the salt zone.
Oh, interesting.
Keep the salt liquid so it doesn't solidify in because of salt. Keep production for gas or oil. So we've been using that for the last 6 or 7, 8 years.
Wow. And has no problems with it? Just running smooth?
No, the valve designed the valve to not have any of the difficulties of the regular valve. Regular valves don't last too long, maybe a year or so. This one doesn't have the same kind of forces on it, so it lasts for 8 or 9 years.
Wow.
I mean, we don't change many of them.
So far, they've just been lasting ever since they've been invented.
Yep.
Wow.
One of those things.
One of those things.
Materials.
If you're a manufacturer and you are buying
All domestic.
all domestic,
And they allow you
then the government will allow you to take 9%
against the cost of materials.
against your car
That's
sales. I did not know that.
I didn't know it until just recently.
That's right.
I
You
asked my
cross-checked it,
CPA.
and that's what he said.
Yep.
Wow, what a great selling point.
Just tell them if they use all domestic products and services in their manufacturing technique, let them talk to their CPA. This one
So this is after milling.
after milling. And this is before they cut off an angle.
Okay.
Here they'll do burr and then they'll cut off the angle and then these will be ready to go.
Okay. So you.
Some will keep on searching, digging deeper holes.
This machine.
Okay.
And then we take it over to either one of these two mills and we do that mill.
Okay. And you got to deburr off,
Yeah, and then we just take it over to the saw and we have it fixed.
and you do the cut off, and then you do the weld. Okay.
And then we put it on the tubes.
Okay.
But somehow I'm here again. These fields on my mind and these stay.
Okay.
We turn it,
Okay.
then we mill it,
Okay.
then we saw it.
And you got a wedge in there. What's that step? Is that an intentional step?
Yeah, this one, yeah. Because this equipment is for L80 service in the oil patch, we can't have anything that's harder than 22 Rockwell C in any of the components.
Oh, okay.
This is what we are doing.
Rolling into Texas 'cause they're drilling in the west. But all those rigs out on the flats way heavy on.
Welded into components and they're welded onto those tubes.
Okay.
So here I go against that hot West Texas wind. I know where I call home.
So now you're doing
Me.
MIG. Oh, we're good. Oh. Now is this actually, wow.
Use for heat treating. Anything that's bigger than 3 feet, we have to send to specialized heat treaters. They're very
Okay.
expensive, but tool steel heat treating for some of our products.
Okay.
He's been selling come by.
Okay.
And he told me what he could do for the company. And that was maybe said one of the things that we should look into that. He said a lot of manufacturers don't even look into it because they don't know about it. So I said, okay, I made note. So I called my CPA and said, yeah, you get it. Okay.
Wow.
Spirit in the wind, we may never make it home, and it's bad.